The AT&T Smart Home Manager is a central app for controlling your AT&T Wi-Fi, security devices, and smart appliances. It connects via AT&T's internet service. Common issues include app malfunctions, login problems, and Wi-Fi tool errors. Most problems stem from software bugs, network glitches, or simple user configuration errors. Simple restarts and updates often solve these problems. In December 2025, AT&T released version 3.1.4 for the Wi-Fi Gateway 2, enhancing stability and compatibility with devices like Google Nest and Philips Hue. The app maintains a 4.2-star rating, but users continue to experience login timeouts and Wi-Fi tool failures. Additionally, cyber attacks impersonating AT&T updates have led to more login failures. Most problems can be fixed with simple steps, though some need AT&T support, particularly in rural areas with poor signal strength. If the AT&T Smart Home Manager app crashes or freezes, start by forcing it to close. Next, check for updates in your App Store and install the latest version, currently 5.2.1. Then, clear the app cache through your phone's settings to remove temporary data. If issues continue, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store. To fix login problems in AT&T Smart Home Manager, start by verifying your credentials at myat.com to ensure your account details are correct. If login still fails, reset your password through AT&T's recovery portal to create a new secure password. Temporarily disable any VPNs as they can interfere with authentication by blocking access to AT&T's servers. Make sure your device is connected to a stable AT&T network, as weak connections can cause login timeouts. For added security, enable two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to reset if you're locked out. Wi-Fi tool malfunctions in AT&T Smart Home Manager often stem from gateway hardware or firmware issues. Here are the key steps to resolve them. First, reboot your gateway. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device and often fixes connectivity issues caused by software hangs. Next, check for firmware updates in the Smart Home Manager app. Updates fix bugs and improve performance. Look for the Settings or Device section in the app. Use the built-in Wi-Fi Analyzer tool in the app to identify channel congestion. It shows signal strengths across channels. Switch to less crowded channels if needed for better performance. For advanced issues, try changing DNS settings to Google's 8.8.8.8 for faster connections. Enable WPA3 encryption in router settings for enhanced security against modern threats. AT&T integrates AI for predictive diagnostics, alerting users to potential issues like low signal strength before they happen. The manager supports over 50 third-party devices, improving resilience to device-specific issues. These advancements focus on proactive maintenance to reduce downtime. Let's examine real-world examples and case studies that illustrate common AT&T Smart Home Manager issues and their solutions. In one case study, a user in rural Texas faced Wi-Fi tool failures caused by signal attenuation from AT&T's DSL service. Basic troubleshooting, like rebooting the gateway and firmware updates, helped, but ultimately required hardware replacement under warranty. Another example involved app crashes after installing the 3.14 firmware update. The problem was fixed by clearing the app cache and reinstalling, demonstrating how simple steps can resolve post-update bugs. A phishing scam example shows how a California user suffered login failures after falling for fake AT&T prompts. Recovery involved resetting 2FA, underscoring the need for security awareness in troubleshooting. In a small business example, a coffee shop encountered login problems while setting up Wi-Fi tools. Solutions included enabling guest networks and prioritizing devices, demonstrating the manager's use beyond residential settings. These real-world examples demonstrate that many AT&T Smart Home Manager problems stem from hardware faults or simple fixes like cache clearing, with phishing highlighting security needs. Basic steps make them ideal for step-by-step guides. Experts recommend using third-party apps like Fing for supplemental Wi-Fi diagnostics. AT&T plans to merge Smart Home Manager with 5G home internet for ultra-low latency fixes. Stay informed about emerging cybersecurity threats. Prioritize regular updates and consider AI-assisted troubleshooting apps. These steps will prepare you for evolving fixes.